Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's lesson is oxidation of fatty acids. The pathway for fatty acid oxidation was discovered by German biochemist F. Knoop in 1904. Knoop postulated that fatty acids are oxidized by beta oxidation. It means that oxidation takes place at the beta carbon. As you know, the carbon which is nearest to the functional group is called alpha carbon and the nearby is beta carbon. As a result of beta oxidation, beta keto acids are formed which undergo cleavage to form acetic acid and fatty acid shorter by 2 carbon atoms. कहने की बात यह है कि जब फैटी एसिड की बीटा कार्बन पे ऑक्सीडेशन होती है तो दो चीजें बनती हैं, एक एसिटिक एसिड और एक फैटी एसिड जो पहले से 2 कार्बन एटम छोटा होता है। ये सीरीज साइक्लिक रिएक्शंस हैं। साइट एंड प्रोडक्ट्स. Fatty acid oxidation occurs in mitochondria and it results in the breakdown of fatty acid into series of acetyl coenzyme A. These acetyl coenzyme A are then oxidized to carbon dioxide and water via TCA cycle, Krebs cycle. बॉटम लाइन ये हुई कि फैटी एसिड का कैटाबोलिज्म बीटा ऑक्सीडेशन के जरिए होता है, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में होता है और इस ऑक्सीडेशन के नतीजे में सीरीज ऑफ एसिटाइल कोएंजाइम ए बनते हैं। वो एसिटाइल कोएंजाइम ए देन टीसीए साइकिल के जरिए उनकी फर्दर ऑक्सीडेशन होती है। बट बिफोर ऑक्सीडेशन long chain fatty acids which are present in the cytosol must undergo a rather complex enzymatic activation followed by transport across the mitochondrial membrane into the matrix. क्या बात हुई कि फैटी एसिड जो साइटोसोल के अंदर मौजूद हैं, पहले उनकी एक्टिवेशन होगी एंजाइम्स की मदद से, फैटी एसिड की एक्टिवेशन होगी और फिर वो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया की मेम्ब्रेन में से होते हुए माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के मैट्रिक्स में जाएंगे, वहां जाकर फर्दर ऑक्सीडेशन जिसको बीटा ऑक्सीडेशन कहेंगे वो होगी। फैटी एसिड की ऑक्सीडेशन कहाँ होगी? माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में। लेकिन माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में एंटर होने से पहले दे आर प्रेजेंट इन द साइटोसोल वेयर दे आर एक्टिवेटेड एंड देन एंटर्स द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। तो इसके लिए हमें 3 स्टेप्स पे गौर करना है। एक्टिवेशन ऑफ फैटी एसिड्स नंबर 1, then entry of activated fatty acid into the mitochondria, or third, oxidation cycle, that is proper beta oxidation which will take place in the mitochondrial matrix. अभी हम पहले 2 स्टेप्स की बात करेंगे इस लेसन में। एक्टिवेशन ऑफ फैटी एसिड्स। First step, fatty acid oxidation ka. The important one is activation. This activation takes place when fatty acids are activated into acyl coenzyme A, which is a thiol of coenzyme A. एक्टिवेशन से मराद ये है कि फैटी एसिड कन्वर्ट होंगे इनटू फैटी असाइल कोएंजाइम ए, और दिस एक्टिवेशन टेक्स प्लेस with the help of enzyme called fatty acid thiokinase. Fatty acid thiokinase, also called acyl coenzyme A synthetase. This is an ATP dependent enzyme. So in the first step, fatty acids are activated with the help of enzyme fatty acid thiokinase, which is an ATP dependent enzyme. And this activation will take place in the cytosol. But oxidation of fatty acid will occur in the mitochondria. Activation of fatty acid occurs in two steps. In the first step, fatty acids is converted into an intermediate compound, acyl adenylate, using ATP. 2-phosphate group are released and adenosine monophosphate is attached with the fatty acid. And this intermediate compound is called acyl adenylate. In the second step, acyl adenylate use coenzyme A and thioester is formed. This thioester is called fatty acyl coenzyme A. This is activated acyl group. Now, acyl group is activated or AMP is released. Overall reaction is fatty acid plus ATP coenzyme A. Enzyme which is used here, acyl coenzyme A synthetase, and the product is fatty acyl coenzyme A plus adenosine monophosphate and 2-phosphate group, which are released in the first step. And this is how fatty acids are activated. And keep in mind, this step takes place in the cytosol. So before fatty acid metabolism, before oxidation of fatty acid must be activated into fatty acyl coenzyme A. This activation takes place in the cytosol with the help of enzyme fatty acyl coenzyme A synthetase, which is an ATP dependent enzyme. Now, this activated fatty acid will enter into the mitochondria. Entry of fatty acid into the mitochondria. The fatty acyl coenzyme A is not capable of crossing the inner mitochondrial membrane. Inner mitochondrial membrane is impermeable for fatty acyl coenzyme A. But this permeability barrier is overcome by the participation of a protein called carnitine, which is present in the intermembrane space. Actually, this acyl group is impermeable for inner membrane of mitochondria. इसके लिए माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया की इंटरमेम्ब्रेन स्पेस के बीच में एक प्रोटीन होती है जिसको कार्निटाइन कहते हैं, वो फैटी एसिड को, एक्टिवेटेड फैटी एसिड को माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में एंटर होने में मदद देती है. किस तरह से, ये देखते हैं. जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, फैटी असाइल कोएंजाइम ए इज नॉट कैपेबल ऑफ क्रॉसिंग द इनर माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल मेम्ब्रेन. And what will happen? This permeability barrier is overcome by the participation of a protein, acetic protein carnitine, where it is present in the intermembrane space. It serves as acyl group carrier. जैसे मैंने बताया कि acyl group is impermeable for the inner membrane. इसलिए कार्निटाइन प्रोटीन कैरियर का काम करेगी उस acyl group के लिए. Look here. Here. Fatty acids. Enzyme, fatty acyl coenzyme synthetase using ATP convert this fatty acid to fatty acyl coenzyme A, that is activated fatty acid. This activated fatty acid enters the outer, crosses the outer membrane of mitochondria and enter the intermembrane space. However, this inner membrane serves as a barrier. The carnitine protein is present in the intermembrane space. This carnitine protein will serve as a facilitator. How? An enzyme protein present in the outer membrane called carnitine palmitoyl translocase 1. Carnitine palmitoyl transferase 1. Naming it again. Carnitine palmitoyl transferase 1. It will attach carnitine protein to acyl group of the fatty acid. As a result, acyl carnitine complex is formed and coenzyme A is released. I'm repeating it again. Sorry. Fatty acids are activated with the help of enzyme fatty acyl coenzyme A synthetase using ATP. Fatty acyl coenzyme A is formed. This fatty acyl coenzyme A crosses the outer mitochondrial membrane, enter the intermembrane space, where it is converted into fatty acyl carnitine complex with the help of enzyme carnitine palmitoyl transferase 1 present in the outer membrane. हुआ क्या कि जो फैटी असाइल कोएंजाइम ए यहाँ इंटरमेम्ब्रेन स्पेस में एंटर हुआ, इसके साथ इसका जो असाइल ग्रुप था वो कार्निटाइन प्रोटीन के साथ जुड़ गया. किसने जोड़ा? इस एंजाइम ने, कार्निटाइन पामिटाइल ट्रांसफेरेज 1 ने. कोएंजाइम ए रिलीज हो गया और ये जो कॉम्प्लेक्स बना इसका नाम है फैटी असाइल कार्निटाइन कॉम्प्लेक्स. नो, this fatty acyl carnitine complex passes through the inner membrane with the help of translocase, another protein present in the inner membrane. Fatty acyl carnitine complex passes through the translocase enzyme protein present in the inner membrane, and now here it is enters the mitochondrial matrix. In the mitochondrial matrix, this fatty acyl carnitine complex is again converted into fatty acyl coenzyme A with the help of enzyme called carnitine palmitoyl transferase 2 present in the inner membrane. Repeating it again. Fatty acyl carnitine complex passes through the inner membrane with the help of enzyme translocase and enters the mitochondrial matrix in exchange to this carnitine. In the mitochondrial matrix, fatty acyl carnitine complex is converted into fatty acyl coenzyme A using coenzyme A, and carnitine is released. And this process takes place with the help of enzyme present in the carnitine palmitoyl transferase 2 present in the inner mitochondrial membrane. वो जो carnitine which is released here moves out to translocase 2. This is how fatty acid enters the mitochondrial matrix. ये आपको यहाँ इसकी डिटेल मिलेगी. तो बॉटम लाइन ये हुआ, हमने ये पढ़ा अभी तक कि फैटी एसिड की ऑक्सीडेशन बीटा ऑक्सीडेशन के जरिए होती है. बीटा ऑक्सीडेशन टेक्स प्लेस एट द बीटा कार्बन. As a result of this fatty acid, series of acetyl coenzyme A will form. This fatty acid oxidation will take place in the mitochondria, but before entering the mitochondria, fatty acids are activated into fatty acyl coenzyme A. और हमने कैसे पढ़ा? Then activated fatty acyl coenzyme A enters the mitochondria. कैसे एंटर हुआ हमने पढ़ा. इसके बाद फैटी एसिड ऑक्सीडेशन, दैट इज बीटा ऑक्सीडेशन. ये साइक्लिक रिएक्शंस होंगे, 4 स्टेप्स होंगे. इनकी डिटेल्स हम फिर बात करेंगे. थैंक यू.